students. Today we'll be doing the next chapter, that is playing with numbers. Okay, now already we all have discussed all factors, multiples, all these things you have done in your previous classes. Maybe in standard 4 5 you must be having the idea of the factors and the multiples. So let's revise all those things. Okay, first we will talk about the factors. Now what is factor actually? Now if I give you a number 6 and I ask you by multiplying which two numbers we get 6, so you will be saying 2 into 3 we will get 6. Okay, 3 2s are, that is again 6. 1 into 6, that is 1 6 is 6. Similarly 6 into 1 is again 6. See here, these numbers 3261 or 2316 numbers are same. Okay, now any of this part, that means number 2, number 3, number 1 and number 6, these are the factors of the given number 6. So what do we understand by the factors? Factors are those numbers which when multiplied with one another gives us the product. Fine, so it's easy. Okay, now when we are talking about the multiples, again 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So when we read the table of 2, 2 3s are 6. That means when 2 is multiplied 3 times we are getting 6. That means 6 is a multiple of 2. Fine. Similarly, if I am multiplying 3 2 times, 3 into 2 with I am multiplying 3 with 2, what will I get? 6. So 6 is again a multiple of 3. Alright, so this is how we get the multiples. Now what will be the difference between the factors and the multiples? Factors will be the same number or smaller numbers, but multiples may be same number and more than that number. So if I give you if I ask you the question, what are the multiples of 4? So you will say 4 into 1, that is 4, first multiple. 4 into 2, that is 8, second multiple. 4 into 3, that is 12, that is the third multiple, and so on. So multiples are increasing. Okay, so that this is how we get the factors and the multiples. Okay, now after understanding these factors and multiples, what we'll be doing, we will talk about few more things. But in this chapter actually we have to make the project based on this chapter also. So project I will be discussing later on, and in the project I will give you some parts from factors, multiples and prime factorizations and all this I will be discussing with you later. Okay, for today you will be doing test of divisibility. Test of divisibility or rules of divisibility. How a number can be divided by different numbers. There is some rule that we will be learning. Now suppose we have to find, the first one is divisibility by 2. Alright, so how we will understand that the given number is divisible by 2 or not? Let's take one example. For example, if the number is 12, okay, 24. Alright, let's take 56. Let's take another number 80. Now see, in all these numbers the digit in the ones place is even number. 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 0 is even. So if a number is having even number at the ones place, then that number will be divided by 2. All these numbers can be divided by 2. Let's take some more examples. 382, can it be divided by 2? Yes. 400, can it be divided by 2? Yes. So if the ones place is an even number, the number will be divided by 2. This is the rule of divisibility. Next, we'll be doing divisibility by 3. Alright, so what is the divisibility by 3? Let's take a number, simple question, 12. Okay, now to find out the divisibility by 12, what we'll be doing, we'll add the digits. See here, 1, 2, 12, one digit, first digit, we'll add the second digit in that. 1 plus 2, that is 3. If this sum is divisible by 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3. The given number will be divisible by 3. I think it's easy. Okay, let's take one more example. 246. So let's add 2 plus 4 plus 6. What will be the sum? 4 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6. No, this is 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Is this sum 12 divisible by 3? Yes. If this is divisible by 3, then 246 is also divisible by 3.